Hello, my dear garden friend, and welcome back to Golden Garden Moments. If you're here right now, listening during a quiet winter day, you might be wondering, is there really anything meaningful I can do for my garden in January or February? The answer is yes, and not just a little, a lot. Winter may look still on the surface, but beneath the soil, within tree branches, and inside every bulb and seed, your garden is resting, preparing, waiting. Today, we're going to slow down together and explore the most important winter gardening tasks, gentle, thoughtful actions you can take during the dormant season that will quietly shape your garden's success in spring. So, take a breath. Let your shoulders relax, and let's step into winter gardening, the calmest and most underrated season of all. Section 1. Understanding the dormant season. January and February are often called the dead of winter, but for gardeners, this phrase can be misleading. Dormancy does not mean death. It means pause. During dormancy, plants slow their growth to conserve energy. Trees stop pushing out leaves. Perennials retreat into their roots. The soil rests under a protective layer of cold. And this pause is not a weakness. It's what allows plants to come back stronger. As gardeners, winter invites us to match this rhythm. Instead of rushing and planting, we observe, we reflect, we plan. This season is not about doing more, it's about doing the right things at the right time. Section 2. Seeing your garden with winter eyes. One of the greatest gifts winter gives gardeners is clarity. Without leaves, flowers, or tall growth, you can finally see your garden's true structure. Walk outside on a quiet winter morning. Notice the shape of your beds. Notice where pathways feel cramped and where space feels underused. This is the perfect time to measure garden beds, redesign layouts, plan new borders, decide where expansion makes sense. Winter light is especially helpful. Pay attention to where sunlight touches the ground and where shadows linger all day. Here's a beautiful trick many gardeners overlook. Watch the snow. Where snow melts first, the soil warms faster. These areas are ideal for early vegetables and sun-loving plants. Where snow lingers longest, you'll find deep shade, perfect for ferns, hostas, and woodland plants. Your garden is quietly teaching you. Winter simply gives you the space to listen. Now let's turn our attention to something deeply satisfying. Tool care. Gardening tools work hard all year long. They cut, they dig, they lift, and winter is when we return the favor. Bring your tools indoors, one by one. Clean away soil and sap, wash blades gently, dry everything completely. Sharpen pruners and shears. A sharp blade makes cleaner cuts and healthier plants. Oil wooden handles to prevent cracking. Add a light coat of oil to metal to stop rust before it starts. This process isn't just maintenance, it's a ritual. Each tool you prepare is a promise to your future garden that when spring arrives, you'll be ready. Section 4. Taking inventory and planning ahead. Once your tools are in order, it's time to look at your supplies. Open your seed box. Check expiration dates. Notice what you used most last year and what barely got touched. Ask yourself, which vegetables brought the most joy? Which flowers attracted pollinators? What didn't work and why? Winter planning isn't about perfection, it's about learning. Make a simple list. Seeds to reorder, tools to replace, supplies to restock, ideas to try for the first time. This is also a wonderful time to browse seed catalogs or online stores. Let yourself dream a little. Dreaming is productive in winter. Section 5. Garden upgrades and long-term improvements. With the basics covered, winter invites us to think bigger. Are there upgrades that could make your garden easier to care for? Maybe it's a drip irrigation system. Maybe it's better trellising. Maybe it's rainwater collection. These projects are much easier to plan in winter, before plants are in the way and time feels rushed. Just as important as dreaming is budgeting. Set gentle limits. Decide what's essential now and what can wait. A calm, intentional garden budget protects both your finances and your joy. Section 6. Staying connected to gardening indoors. Even when the ground is frozen, your relationship with gardening doesn't stop. This is a perfect time to start a garden journal, sketch layouts, learn about new plant varieties, watch the light change through your windows, and plan seed starting schedules. You're still gardening, just in a quieter way. Winter teaches patience, and patience is one of the greatest gardening skills of all. Conclusion. Winter is a beginning. As we come to the end of this gentle winter journey, remember this. Your garden is not asleep. It is preparing. Every plan you make, every tool you clean, every idea you write down is shaping the season to come. Winter gardening is not about fighting the cold, it's about working with it. Thank you for spending this quiet time with me here at Golden Garden Moments. If this video brought you peace or inspiration, please like, subscribe, and share it with a fellow garden lover. Until next time, may your winter be calm and your spring be abundant.